Hey everyone, welcome to episode 3 of my Unity Basics tutorial series. And today we're going to be talking about importing and Unity Asset Store and packages. So everything involving importing things into your Unity project. We're going to talk about importing models and textures and stuff. So it's really simple. This is going to be a short tutorial because it's very simple. So you basically open up a folder that you have on your computer that has whatever. It could have pictures, textures, models, sound, music, sound effects. Unity takes pretty much, it takes like a whole bunch of different file formats, ranging from like sound, music to models, textures. Like it takes a lot. Let's just take a few examples. So we're gonna take in a model that I've made from or in Blender. So Blender is a free 3D modeling tool that I use to make models. You can go download that. It's really useful. It's free. So here you go. So I simply just drag and dropped it into the scene. And it's basically a shark from my Shark Prey game, which you can check out on my channel too. Almost done with it. So this is the model, and so once you click on it, this is what it's gonna look like. And so yeah, this is this. So once you have it in your project, you can simply drag it into your scene, and there you go. It's all set up. You can scale it if it's too big. You can do whatever you want with it. It's in your game. I'm gonna apply this like ground texture. So you simply drag it and drop it in there. And now we're going to import sounds or sound effects. So we're going to import this song, which I use in my intro, which is Subtact. It's called Away by Subtact. I think that's how you say it. But it's importing. I simply drag and dropped it. It's a MP3 file format. Unity, if you're wondering, this was a blend file, so you simply save it from your Blender project, and it automatically is compatible with Unity, so you don't have to convert it or anything. So that's really useful. It also takes FBX and all these different file formats. That's importing things right from your computer. It's really simple. So let's talk about packages now. So packages are basically exactly what it sounds like. It's like a combination of assets that you can get that you can get from the asset store, and things that are automatically available to you from Unity. So, for example, if we want, let's see, characters, this will come up, and you can select what you want and you don't want, which can take quite a long time. But we're going to import it. This can take a while, so okay, so here we go. So then standard assets folder will come up, and you'll find your package here. And first person controller, Unity already has a first person controller. And so what we can do is go to prefabs, and we'll talk about prefabs later, and drag it in, and create. So when we play, we have our own little first person controller already set up, made by Unity, I believe. So that's that. So you can just import things that are already set up for you. So effects, we'll do this later once we actually make projects. Yeah, so now let's talk about the asset store. This video is getting pretty long. So the asset store, you can simply go to Window and go to Asset Store, do Control 9, and this is basically where you can download anything that people put on this for you. What I think. This is basically where you can download things that people submit. There's things that are free and things that cost money, real currency. And there's also Unity assets like this terrain assets that Unity has out. You can download for free. And so this is really simple. If you're looking for models, you know, you're looking for props, let's say weapons. There you go. There's all these asset packages that, so let's say we want this one, we can import it, and you would have to sign in, which is simple also. You just sign in, or I mean make an account and then you sign in, and it's the same exact process as importing a package. And that's basically the asset store and packages and importing things. It's really simple, and yeah, I hope this helped, and I will see you next time.
Your secrets, if you really look at yourself, you would be speechless. What happened to being doctors and teachers? What happened to being your brother's keeper? Nowadays kids more worried